Yeah man, Bobo, yeah man, Bobo, real Bobo. Wow, come here. Why your eye look so? Like you look tired or something. Oh, alright. Look Bobo there. Alright, so here I go on my people. Yeah man, the thing really live, you know, come alive, you know, real talk, you know, Daniel Marshall there. From my own project, and it's Thursday, June 19, right? We got the time I move fast. The days them really blazing fast. Me not tell you like. Baby swikes take down oak tree same way, you know. So alright, you are gonna see that the thing real, you know. Yeah man, thing real as ever it can be. See that side of the slab there. So you are going on, but I take these down. I'm gonna take these down right away. I'm gonna make a view and see why I'm taking them, because there's some things where the average person might need to know when stripping farms from a slab. And that is the reason why, you know, I have videotape so the idea can say it. So ready to take down these guys. And notice, if you notice good, the tools I'm using, I use, right? I have no crowbar, just this little cat paw, you see? Very good one. I'm a very good one. Latest E-sling. Alright? So pay attention. God. Some people mind that the thing say, I'm gonna need a crowbar. We gonna take them down by himself. And you want to clean up these boards as clean as possible, so you can take out the time of cleaning them up when you're ready to use them. Alright, ladies. Take them up. And use. Put it up where you want to use. That side, it'll be easy doing that side, the other side of this, because everything already pre-made. I know exactly what to do by doing this first decking. Oh, see, you always look out for that when you're pulling it. Sometimes you gone with that one minute, so move back there. You gone. You're gonna go there, you drop on some nail or some shitting. Oh, yeah, you don't want to chew them down. You don't necessarily chew them down the nails on them. You have to clean you up. Anyway, you take it. You might as well just do one thing and take them. Cycle them around my house. And then we need a little bit more. Fine. I'm gonna have to totally take them out. I'm gonna use them again. See him, please. See, this poor man struggle. Black man struggle. And hey, yo. I got a little youth to introduce to the island, an American youth. And I was just watching the Ku Klux Klan Grand Dragon being interviewed. But them still slick. Them say the average white man and the average black man living in America. Them say the mindset of the average white man is higher than the mindset of the average black man. Majority wise. The interviewer go ahead and him ask the Grand Dragon, so you're saying the white race is superior than the black race? And them say, yeah. And then say, what about man like Martin Luther King, Marcus Garvey? He didn't really answer. So, but once we face them truth, then we can't deal with the issue them now. But if we don't face the truth, you can't deal with the issues. Because you can't deal with no real issues. In a denial. You have to accept the truth and then you can fix the problem. And we can heal the nation. Where are we going to start? We're going to start by putting this side. Alright? We're going to start by putting that side. But you're going to see, and then we're going to explain.
This is World Star Music and black people. Hear this. Why does the black man have to march for his rights? Why does the black man have to fight for his life? I've been so many places, seen so many faces, different races, but only the black man feels the hatred. I'm the son of a black man and I'm scared for my life. So I reason with my father to gain some insight. He said, son, we're in a fight for our life. So long they fed us the hindsight to blind our foresight. Profile, stereotype, lynch by white, shot by officer, do right, take our life. Yes, we're on a battlefield. The struggle is real. They got the badge and steel. Is it a Glock or 9? Up to the times against black day. Commit the most crimes. Why does the black man have to march for his rights? Why does the black man have to fight for his life? I'm so tired of marching, protest. My feet needs to rest. 400 years I'm still a victim in a them fascism, neo-colonial, will-lynch system. Get a youth destined to die in prison, gun blow, blood flow, black people, whoa, they put us where the cold wind blow, rejoicing, they killed another, scarecrow, Jim Crow, I see the tears, I hear the weep, mama help, I can't breathe, we won't take it no more, new gen, new breed, new creed, out of many we are one nation under God, equal rights and justice for all, discrimination against the black man must fall. Why does the black man have to march for his rights? Why does the black man have to fight for his life? Black people stay strong.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Let me move the table around. Full of style, yeah. Full of style. Every day we show them something new. And so blow Daniel Marshall, every day you come up with something new. He's an amazing man. He's a true journey. The roots them I tell you. Alright, so boom shot. I'll go first. Change it for you. People, real quick, I'm gonna run out of tape space. Now, if you see these flying out, you need a ear to pull from first. And the best ear is to pull from the small piece. Like under here, you can. No, you cannot pull from under there. So the best place to pull from is here. Understand? Because you can't pull from under there, so it not gonna come out. You can't pull from over here because the big ply them and the thing will come down from here. You understand me? I say, so you want to stay at a corner like this and try pop it from here. So, and if you get that small one out, good. If you get the big one out, good. If you get the big one out, good. This could surely use a crowbar, but there you go. I really need it. Like this. Well, I'm going to give you a chance to see what rigorous work I'm going to have to do. Alright? The one man is sure this, you know. It's not a big deal there, but then you have to take it out. Hard one too. Yeah, hard land. No, you need to get to this. That's the reason. See that? Okay. Here it go. Here it go, here it go, here it go now. Alright. Like me say, clean up your boards them before you drop it. Remember I said the board now is like a tool, you know. The way I use to get the work done. I've been used up there as a tool. In my story, yeah. Ah wow wow, ah wow, ah. Come on, oh boy, hear me now. Have you ever feel the pain like up in my story? And have you ever feel the pain of a black man's story? And have you ever feel the pain of the white man's story? Well, I feel every little pain like up in my stories, in my story. And I've endured all the feel of oppression
darling. And I do every little thing that is in Jah glory. So don't you ever walk away, listen to my story. Don't you ever walk away, listen to my story. It's a prison story. It's a Daniel story. Have you ever feel the pain like the pain my story? And have you ever feel the pain of the black man's story? The black man's story. And have you ever feel the pain of the white man's story? The white man's story. Well, I feel every little pain like the pain my story. Sins like glory. Well, nobody can live your life for you, so just live your life and keep your Jah closely. Yeah, life is also living, so when I and I live, we live for the Almighty. And all who oppress me with all kind of oppression, Lord, we try to live rightly. It's better than silver and gold, never them never know that it's a Daniel story. Man, I bust out of the lion den. Me define the whole of them. The big eyes on all of them. My weapon is my pen. None of them couldn't stand the power of a righteous man. Saul and the whole of them. None of them couldn't stand the power of a righteous man. Why me I tell you, King Selassie, Rastafari, you know. Da da dum da da dum da da dum da 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 da. Have you ever feel the pain like the pain
Let me explain. You see this run on me up on the wall is a problem. Not really a problem, but me have to get to it another way. Alright, tell you what, let me explain to you now. You see when you're stripping these plyboards, you won't forget these on all of these on the side. Alright, because when you're stripping them, you cannot strip one of these plywood, big plywood, you can't strip it and there and item. You have to be away from it. You understand me? I said you have to be away. Alright, let me do it. Thank you.
Yes, I.
Alright, sorry. Sorry about that. Alright, can you see me? So I could get to this thing, you know. See that? You must always work in expectation of that same little thing, that same little action you see a while ago. Oh. And don't forget your all that. You're working with overhead things. Protect your head. Every one of them. We are can't do without so I'm gonna take this piece out of my way because basically everything I'm away right now. So can you imagine that? I mean, you know how good the item feel because the item I watch. The item I watch me I build this out there. From scratch, from the floor. And it's risen up now and looking good. Yeah, I'm the neighbor then tell us, don't have to worry, it look nice. Let's go on the way I go. Let's go on the way I go. Yeah. Pay attention. This man need no crowbar. No crowbar at all. This man need. Crowbar probably only just bust up the board them and rip them up. I don't want to rip up. Because still we can't even use them to build something. Balcony or something. Which is what I'm gonna do. Yeah. If you go out from the front, you will see the boards. Instead of I use the boards and the boards are out there in the front. I make a balcony with the board down. Yeah. With these boards on the front. I'm not gonna use no concrete. Too much work with the concrete. I think it's too much work, but it's easier if we just do the slab and do this piece here and do the overhang eave out there and then fancy up and fix out there so on the top with the staircase and the balcony we extend it out. And my mind concreted, the reason why my mind concreted I forget the rooms upstairs bigger. So that's the reason why if I feel like, if I find another way, I don't feel like. Understand me?
One kind and hardcore with a #1 song. Yeah. Check this out.
If no love isn't there in your house, I won't be there.
Speak to them, mankind.
If there's no love in your heart, I won't be there.
No, I won't be there.
Love is the key to everything. Yeah.
It's the key to everything, you know what I said?
True love, harmony,
Harmony.
see here, we're gonna settle down and raise a family.
Cause if no love no in the house, we say we nah go there. No love no in the house, we not on there. No love no in the house, we say we nah go there. No love no in the house, we not on there. Love is the key to everything, and only love conquers all. Whether you're rich or whether you're poor, or whether you're tall or small. You could be a little kitty cat or any big bad dog. Love will break down your barriers, make you crawl and ball. You think you know not love, you know nothing at all. Let your love rain down on me just like the great summer fall. If you know not love, you know nothing at all.
Crowbar. See? So because I move like a mobile carpenter, a mobile builder. This is the right person you want in your building. Yeah, see Daniel Marshall, you see my performance of the work, you know he's a faithful man to my job. If you put me on your project, the consistent flowing of the money consist. Because when we have people pay and materials to buy anything then, you don't want to slowing down. And when you slow down and stop now from Europe, because if you slow down 1 week, you know, another 1 week there, or something else as the next project or overthink your project, you know, we have to go look on that. So we think say, so the thing I say, see, that's how the thing set in this time, you know, say, if you have, you see quite a few people now, them ask you to come look on them job, get an estimate, they have some material and thing. And we do all of these research work and bring information. And sometimes you don't hear from them, they never put a contribution on your hand and say, boy, thank you for your time or so, they just disappear after the map. And that's the main reason why I say, if you want to make art, do something to do on your property and OCT. And tell you what kind of material and how much material you need and how it can set on. I remember some still even I use my camera video. That means it come like a day and see him some of the day. Like to me and where I work coach and like some I work today and you don't know. Or you don't know what me I do. You don't know what me I do because I'm videotape. So you can't want a better person than Daniel, man. So when you give me a job and give me a thing, make sure the consistent flow of the money, then they keep things going. I don't want to slow down and stop, because when it's slow down and stop sometimes, even by your part, some people turn around and put it on the builder part. And then again, you have some builder down here who me know is incompetent. They are not good work tradesmen. You understand me? Them do a little piece of your work, drain out your pocket of money and gone and you don't get no result. You have to use a different money again with the same.
Yeah. I'm gonna come on a beach and come talk about one what them couldn't and can't do. I'm gonna come to talk about that. I'm come to talk about the greatest possibility. You see it? If I be the biggest man you see, then you'll be the biggest lady for me. And then this whole wide world will see the greatest possibility. Come on. If you be doing things for me, the things that a great queen is made of, you see. And then this whole wide world will see me greatest possibility. Come on. And me have the power for influence thoughts. Leave. Freedom me granted.
Never say stop you with your height, sir. Why nothing? You think I joke? Why you think nobody was able to do what Daniel Marshall doing right now? Because I know everybody afraid of the camera. You cannot take my easy job to go there with a video camera, so with that video phone station and a video tape. Make man and people see, yes sir. It's enough time me have to stand up. Watch who me a Rasta, through them system me a Rasta, I'm a black, that's why I can do certain things. Rasta is a ticket. It's not even a ticket. It's not a free ticket. But Rasta give a clearance and a clarity. See, in many cases, where Rasta will get through and go through, a lot of other people will come from the same zone like we, a lot of other men who fashion themselves and fix up themselves. Now get through. I tell you that Rasta just have to know to carry yourself. I mean, I'm talking about no clothes carrying still. Understand me? It's what you have inside, is the content of your inside are coming out. Because the people will judge you from where you are, you know. But when they see you come up close now, And by the words you speak to them now, even if them the best thing if them treat you hard and you don't take it offensive. That's what the testing there, you know. I know a man who knows the John who's glad the Rasta are real. Alright, so boom shot. Now I save some of that tape space. When I strip it down, I show you the whole complete thing. And thing. And to when we want it, then we'll take it. Alright, so blessed love again. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking and sharing the video. Continue to watch them. From my household, from my heart to your heart. Blessed love. Daniel Marshall. Alright, blessed.